actually have my first t-shirt with me. You know, my channel actually on it. I know what you're going to say. Wow, that's a lot of pink. And yeah, it is a lot of pink, but I quite like hot pink. I don't wear it, I must say, but I like it. Hey everyone. Well, you can't see much of me. Well, yes you can. You can see my head, but I can't move. I've had Apani's tail connected to the climber and head kind of connected to me. And do you know what? I've been sitting here for half an hour with Apani just hanging on my shoulder, and I'm wondering if he wants to make his way back over to the climber. It's been a big day with doing lots today, and there you go, Bub. Specifically out sort of not just plant shopping, but yeah, shopping for my snakes as well, because every time I go out, I do think about things that I think that, you know, they are going to really want to enjoy and possibly have. Do I need to move a little bit more forward? Like there's nothing like enjoying your snake wrapped around your neck, and fortunately it's only a little one, so it's kind of like the no big deal having still not let go. And well, you're just going to hang there crisscrossed around my neck, dude. Obviously. Ooh. You going? You going? Oh, cool, you're going. Okay, but it's been... Well, you're pulling me... I'm having to go further down with him. Where are you? Have I got you in frame? Oh, no. Yes. No. Oh, that's the camera, dude. Smile, you're on camera. So you know, sometimes this is just all I do at night is just hang out. Really, I just purely hang out with my snakes. I don't, you know, it's not about getting them out, because I wish to do a video with them. Apani was at his door, so of course I open it up and I ask him to to come on out. He's just currently, yeah, on my lap. But yeah, I just ask them, and I then drop you on the floor. But that's me. There's got to be bloopers and bits that go on with me and wiggly worms. So of course, stay in view. Just stay in view. Can you do that? No, he says, I'm kind of on a mission and wish to no doubt go somewhere that, but still got that tail wrapped. Oh no, he's just let go because he's made his way. Oh, let me show you. I can't. Oh, I can. Excuse me. I'm a bit of a mess. I've just done all the water bowls, and that's why Apani's out, because I did his water bowl and the door was open. So of course he says, well, that means I'm allowed to actually come out, does it not, Mum? So is that what it means when I open your door? It's time to come out? I think so. And I welcome it. Even though I'm busy and I have other water bowls to do, I'm quite happy, because I have things for them to climb and places that they can explore relatively safely, but I still gotta keep my eye on you, don't I? Hey, can I show the people? Well, I can show you one thing. Well, if I haven't got it all scrunched up, well, Apani's scrunch and get my hair out of the way. But I actually have my first t-shirt with me. You know, my channel actually on it. I'm a little bit, on the black. It faded out the colours a little bit, but, I'm not a perfectionist, and nothing has to be, oh, that's just not good enough. I'm not a business. I'm not trying to sell anything other than, of course, I'm trying to sell good care of snakes to everybody. Or we get lost in Mum's hair, don't we, Nat? Since it's gotten much longer, of course. But hey, it's good for winter. Having long hair, not so good over the summer. But what I was going to also show you is I have got one lot of stickers in, and I decided to get them in that. I know what you're going to say, wow, that's a lot of pink. And yeah, it is a lot of pink, but I quite like hot pink. I don't wear it, I must say, but I like it. So these are the big stickers that I ordered, just to see, and I'm pretty sure I ordered littler ones too with the black background, but what are you doing, dude? Check out Mum's new stickers with her. Like, this is the channel that's all about you guys, and is going up. But yeah, my first sticker. Well, I only got 5 of them, but I have another t-shirt, just a v-necked one with this on it in the black, because I have a black singlet on, and I ordered a black singlet, and Noah wanted a hoodie, so I've ordered him also a hoodie, and I've ordered more stickers but with a white background, and I got myself a coffee cup, why not? So yes, I do have a Teespring store that I'll mention every now and again, and it will always be in the description. So if you want to go over there and have a look and maybe grab something, by all means, yeah, you can do that for me. I was never actually going to do that, and then I thought, no, why not? I've been on here for nearly 4 years, I think now, and I think it was time I got some stickers, and I will be sending some to some friends, and maybe I'll do a little giveaway in a video, ask a question or something for people to answer, and the first 5 that answer it will get a sticker. I mean, it's nothing really amazing, but I've never given away anything, so I think I would like to do that if I'm pretty sure there'll be some people that would like to get a sticker from me, and we'll have a choice, pink or the white background, hopefully some black, and I'll be interested to see if it fades out the colors as it kind of has on this t-shirt. But it's comfortable. It's really nice and comfortable because it's made out of that really soft t-shirt material. So I'm just going to get on enjoying my little guy for a little while. I've put some new things in there for him to try out now, but that'll be in a later video because I've got more things to add to quite a few of the guy's enclosures. Okay, so from me and little Apani, you take care. I'll talk to you again soon. Ciao.